Namaskar, welcome back to PoliGrill. Today I am going to share with you a nice seasonal dish, spinach kachori. Well, let me show you. For making spinach kachori, I take 500 grams spinach. Wash and clean the spinach thoroughly. Then boil the spinach. I have boiled the spinach. Now blend the boiled spinach. Blending of spinach has done. Now I make the stuffing with spinach. For this I add 2 tablespoon oil. When oil gets hot, add half teaspoon black jeera or nigella. Saute a little. Now add boiled spinach. Cook a little just for 2 or 3 minutes. Next add one by one roasted 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon roasted coriander powder, 1 teaspoon roasted fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon dried mango powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Stir and mix all these spices. For nice flavor, add nutmeg powder. Add salt to taste. Well, my stuffing is almost done. Finally add 1 teaspoon sugar. My stuffing is ready. Let it cool down. Now I prepare the dough. Take 500 gram all-purpose flour. With it, add 1 teaspoon black jeera or nigella, 1 teaspoon ajwain or carom seed, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all this very well. Now add 2 tablespoon vegetable oil for leavening. Add warm water little by little. And make a solid firm dough. My dough is ready. Now I let it rest for 15 minutes, covering wet muslin cloth. I made smaller balls of equal size from the dough. Flatten a little, make the shell, put little spinach stuffing, seal the edges. This way I have stuffed all the balls. Now spread the balls with rolling pin. Put enough oil for deep frying the kachori. Yes, oil gets rightly hot. Now place the kachori in it. Wow, look at my nice, crispy, fluffy spinach kachori. Here is my wonderful spinach kachori or Palak Kachori. Serve your guests this kachori and I am sure you will own their hearts. I hope you enjoyed this session. I enjoyed this spinach kachori with white butter potato curry. I bet you too love this. So friends, stay tuned. Do subscribe for more such recipes. See you again. Bye.